Hi homie, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet Irish crochet lace flower applique. So let's see together. Start with the magic ring and chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over, insert your hook in this circle and pull up loop. Yarn over, put your first loops. Yarn over, insert your hook in this circle and pull up loop. Yarn over, put your first loops. Yarn over, put your all 3 loops to make a bubble stitch. Chain 3, then make a bubble stitch. Yarn over, put your first loop. Yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over, put your first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over, put your first loops. Yarn over, put your all 4 loops to make a bubble stitch. Chain 3 and repeat 6 times. I crocheted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Pull the tail in to tighten. Chain 3, then make a slab stitch. Insert chain. Make a slab stitch. Insert chain. Make a slab stitch in next stitch. Make a slab stitch in this space. Chain 3. Make 2 double crochets together in same space. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Make 3 double crochets in next space. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 5. Make 3 double crochets in next space. Repeat in all spaces. Keep going. I crocheted 6 times. At the end, chain 5, then make a slab stitch in third chain. Make a single crochet in next stitch. Make 5 double crochets in first space. Make 5 double crochets in first space. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains. Make 5 double crochets in same space again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last time. Make a single crochet in second double crochet. Make 5 double crochets in next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Chain 3. 1 2 3 chains. Make 5 double crochets in same space again. 1 2 3 4 and the last time. Make a single crochet in second double crochet and repeat in all spaces. Keep going. I crocheted 6 petals, then make a slab stitch in first single crochet, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then knit your yarn. Thanks for looking. I hope this video was helpful for you. You can absolutely share the link with your friends. Wishing you success in everything you pursue. See you soon.